everybody, I'm Apia Boy and today I'm here with yet another sensor interface video and this is the soil moisture sensor. As you all can see here, I am using this schematic diagram and I will use it to explain the hardware. So get your hardware and let's begin. Now this is the setup. This is the complete setup you'll need. This and we've got the pi which is here and we've got these. We'll need some jumpers as well and the sensor itself, and this is the legend which we will be using. These The legend will tell you which wires should go where, and these wires, the probe and the digital to analog to digital converter can be connected in any way you want. You can flip the wires as well. This will convert the analog signal from the probe and convert it into digital ones, and the digital ones can be read by the Raspberry Pi and tell you how much, if the probe can sense a moisture or not. It's very simple, so let's just move on to the code. So as you can see, here we are. This is the AnyDesk window, and this the AnyDesk is the remote desktop app. So let's connect the Raspberry Pi. You need to install the AnyDesk on both your computers, and yeah. So this is the Raspberry Pi desktop that I've got, and I've got all the functions that I use on the Raspberry Pi over here. So let's start with the opening of opening the Python. Just a sec. Yeah. So I'll just open my document. So as you can see here, this is the document that I have the code I've written. So we will import the directories rpi.gpio as gpio and import time. Then we will assign gpio21 to read the output, and these three lines are all that we'll need to assign it. Then set up and set mode, and then we will define a function called callback. If GPIO can receive the if it receives any input, it will print moisture detector, and then we call this function below, right? And you know how the Python code works. Then it will run this function like um, every 300 seconds or 300 milliseconds. So let's try it out. So this is the shell, and now put it in the soil. So as you can see, the it is showing moisture detected, and when I pull it out, it will wait for till I put it back in the soil. So as you can see, moisture detected, again and again. It will show it to you till it is in the soil with water or moisture in it. But as soon as you pull it out of the soil, it just goes blank, means it won't show anything after that till you again put the soil sensor into the soil, and that's how it will work. You can use it to use it in irrigation systems to automate your water supply for your plants and all. You can use it at home for horticulture as well. So that's all. Just if you want to close the loop, press Ctrl C on the Python shell, and that's all. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and press the subscribe button so that you can support me and my channel. Thanks for watching again, and bye till the next time.